2026 is packed with planetary retrogrades. But don't panic, these aren't just obstacles, they're opportunities for growth. Take Mercury retrograde, for example. Instead of chaos, it's a chance to reflect. Think about your communication and plans. What needs refining? During its cycle in Pisces, dive deep into your intuition. Then, when it shifts to Cancer, focus on emotional alignment. Venus retrograde is all about love and values. What do you truly cherish? Reassess your relationships and finances. Quality over quantity. Jupiter retrograde invites you to expand your inner wisdom, revisit your beliefs, and embrace deep learning. And don't forget Pluto's transformative power. It's time to reclaim your strength. So how will you harness these retrogrades for your growth? Reflect before you act. Retrogrades reward patience. Instead of pushing forward blindly, ask, what no longer serves me? What have I overlooked? Where is clarity needed? Reprioritize your values. Especially during Venus and Jupiter retrogrades, your inner compass may shift. Let your priorities evolve, not repeat old patterns. Strengthen inner discipline. Saturn's retrograde theme is inner structure. Build habits and boundaries that last. Dive deep. Pluto and Neptune retrogrades favor transformation and subconscious healing. Use journaling, therapy, or creative expression for breakthroughs. Reconnect and reevaluate. Mercury retrogrades are perfect for reconnecting with old goals, mentors, or unresolved dialogues, and rethinking how to bring them forward. In the last 2026 is rich with planetary retrogrades, from Mercury's refresh cycles to Pluto's transformational journey, offering a cosmic blueprint for deep introspection, meaningful growth, and empowered evolution.